The camera has always been an essential gadget for traveling, but in today's social media landscape where everyone wants to share their most memorable moments online, a digital camera or smartphone may not cut it anymore. A travel camera has to be compact and rugged so it can go wherever you go. It also has to capture good pictures, shoot smooth videos, and it should let you share them online right away. One camera we came across is the new GoPro Hero7 Black, and here are the 5 reasons why we think it will be a great travel camera. On paper, the Hero7 Black seems to sport similar specifications as a Hero 6 with its 12-megapixel camera for image capture and 4K 60 frames per second video recording. But what's new on the latest GoPro is SuperPhoto. Think of it as an improved version of the HDR shooting mode in the Hero 6. It can now bring out the details in the highlights and shadows better, which can come in handy for brightening subjects with the sun in the background. The Hero7 Black's killer feature is the video, in particular the company's much-touted HyperSmooth feature using the latest in electronic image stabilization technology. HyperSmooth offers stable gimbal-like footage without using a gimbal. And the results are pretty impressive, be it going handheld with a camera while walking or shooting from a moving vehicle. Action shots somehow felt more natural, with a lot less micro jitters. The best part is, there is no need to carry a gimbal around. All that is needed is to mount the GoPro and go. Another great addition to the Hero7 Black is TimeWarp. By integrating HyperSmooth feature with time-lapse, it can capture and process smoother time-lapse videos, transforming your next outdoor adventure into more shareable moments. Also new to the latest GoPro is live streaming. Simply connect your phone to the Hero7 Black and you'll be able to live stream on Facebook Live and YouTube directly from the camera. This is a big deal for those of you who want to share action shots online in real time. While you can already do so with your smartphone, there are limitations to where you can mount your smartphone compared with the GoPro. So it is great to finally see an action camera designed with the social media crowd in mind. A minor but nonetheless thoughtful improvement is the user interface on the GoPro. You can now swipe left or right to access the photo, video, and time-lapse shooting modes, or swipe up to access the library, down to go into the settings. It is a simple change, but the overall experience does make it more intuitive, much like a smartphone. And as with previous GoPro cameras, the Hero 7 still sports the same compact form factor as its predecessors and is rugged and waterproof, up to 10 meters. It also has a good selection of mounts and accessories, which makes it easy to use in all scenarios. So there you have it, 5 reasons why the new GoPro Hero 7 Black would make a great traveling companion.